Hey guys! Today we're going to explore a technological innovation that's changing the way we tackle wildfires. Imagine drones equipped with thermal cameras and artificial intelligence, capable of detecting and monitoring the spread of flames in real time. We are talking about the pioneering initiative of the Danish company Robotto. Get ready to discover how this technology is transforming the way we fight fires and protect our forests. No fire maps that are 12 or even 24 hours out of date. With Robotto drones, firefighters can now have an instant and detailed view of the situation in the early stages of the fire. Kenneth Richard Giepel, CEO of Robotto, highlights the crucial importance of these first moments to prevent fires from becoming uncontrollable. With this innovative technology, firefighters can not only visualize the exact location of the fire, but also its extent and intensity, allowing for a more efficient allocation of available resources. Robotto's drones are not just ordinary flying machines. They are equipped with state-of-the-art thermal cameras that capture images in real time. This data is then sent to processing units equipped with artificial intelligence, which analyze and interpret the information received. This combination of advanced technologies enables rapid and accurate response to changing conditions on the ground, assisting firefighters in their firefighting operations. The effectiveness of Robotto's drones is already being tested by fire teams in the Spanish region of Catalonia. These real-world tests provide valuable insights into the practical usefulness of this innovative technology in real-world firefighting situations. The results so far are promising, showing how drones can be a vital tool for increasing the efficiency and safety of firefighting operations. But the applications of Robotto's drones go beyond firefighting. These versatile devices can also be used to monitor vulnerable animal species, providing important data for conservation programs. Additionally, they have the potential to detect injured or endangered people in remote areas, allowing for a faster and more effective response in emergency situations. In short, Robotto smart drones represent a revolution in the way we deal with forest fires. With their ability to provide real-time information and their versatility in a variety of situations, these devices are raising the bar for firefighting efficiency and safety. As this technology continues to develop and be adopted around the world, we can envision a new era in protecting our forests and keeping our communities safe. Get ready to fly higher and safer with Robotto smart drones. If you've watched this video so far, don't forget to leave a like, and write to the channel, and if possible leave a comment on this subject. What do you think about all this? And comment and share to your friends and family, and we'll see you in the next videos. I went.